We're back with another video. I'm going to show you how to turn this into a baseball bat. Let's get into it. So you come back here, got my lathe set up, all my tools, my bench grinder. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure to the length that I would like, which is 33 inches. And now it's time to sand this bad boy. See, there's a few ridges. Sanding will take that right out. There's the bat after it's sanded. Now all we do is take this nub off, take that nub off, and then we got ourselves a bat. And then we're gonna cut this off with a saw. And then once you're done, this is what your bat should look like. And this is just a nice piece of maple, and really was fun to make. So I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.